Everybody, welcome back to the Hedera Hashgraph latest price update video. About guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest update. In absolute, you already know about the crypto market, that every coin is completely going in the lows. All cryptocurrencies market are again going in the lows. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba Inu, the all fastest moving cryptocurrencies in the market is now going in the lows, but Hedera Hashgraph is still positive. Now guys, you can see here, if you look the price, so 0.332643 USD dollar, that is the right now, the latest price of a Hedera Hashgraph. In other side, if you talk about the changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of Hedera Hashgraph is negative. In last 1 week changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph is completely positive, 17.07%. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here guys that Hedera Hashgraph is in the jumping mood guys. You can see here from 29 August Hedera Hashgraph start pumping, and if you look the changes, so gradually slowly the Hedera Hashgraph price increase step by step, jump, and after jump again falls down for some time, again the price will pump. Understand guys? So that is a new pattern of Hedera Hashgraph. Be alert. In a right now situation, there is only Hedera Hashgraph and Harmony in the market that these changes is only positive. Except of these coin, all the cryptocurrencies in the right now situation is negative. So if you're a holder, please alert and hold. If you want to buy, so absolutely the price of Hedera Hashgraph is a low. I recommend for you to buy. But remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Hope you like. Subscribe now.